Hi and welcome to In the Can. Today I'm going to be making a rye bread. In the bowl I have a cup and a half of rye flour, and to that I'm going to be adding oops, 3 cups of all-purpose flour, a packet of instant yeast, a teaspoon and a half of salt, and a teaspoon and a half of caraway seed. I'm going to mix this all to combine it. And to this I'm going to be adding 2 cups of water. And now I've mixed it to a point where I need to get my hands in there to mix it. Now I'm going to add just about maybe a quarter more cup of water to this. Because I want a slightly soft, sticky dough. Yeah, that's seems like a good dough. So I'm going to cover this with a piece of plastic wrap. And a towel. And let this set for 10 minutes before I come back to work it. And I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I've turned the dough out onto a floured surface. I'm going to flour the top. And I'm going to knead the dough by pressing it down, folding it over, pressing it down, folding it over, pressing it down. And I'm going to keep doing that for about 10 minutes and I will be back. Okay, my bread has risen a bit and I'm preheating the oven. So I'm going to take a serrated knife and I'm going to cut some slits in it, and this is just purely decorative. Let's cross hatch those as long as we're being decorative. And now I'm going to put the bread in the oven and let it bake for 35 minutes. And I'll be back. Okay, my bread is done. And those cross hatches just made a little extra crust. So we're going to give it a little, cut a little piece off and give it a taste. Ooh, nice crunch. If you like crispy crusts, this is good. Has a nice chew to it and nice flavor. So hopefully you like this recipe, you'll give it a like, you'll subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.